Welcome back to BOR-Go. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of uploading and acknowledging an employee handbook. We'll start with the employer. From the dashboard, you'll go over to the left menu and click Employee Handbook. This will take you to the Handbook section of BOR-Go. On the left, you will see a list that includes all versions of the handbook that have been uploaded. To view any of the handbooks, simply click Open. This will open up a PDF where you can scroll through the handbook. To view who has signed off on the handbook, click on Signees. On this page, the list on the left will be employees that have signed the handbook. The list on the right shows the employees that have yet to sign the handbook. You can send an email reminding individual employees to sign off on the handbook. If you scroll down, you can send a reminder to all employees that have yet to sign off. Back on the main handbook page, on the right is where you will be able to upload new handbooks. Fill in the fields, including the name and the effective date. Then, upload the file. Hit Save. The upload should appear on the list to the left. Now we'll switch over to the employee side. Once they log on, they will be prompted to sign the handbook. They click View to scroll through and read over the handbook. Once finished, they hit Agree to sign off. After they have acknowledged the most recent version, they will be able to access the rest of their BOR-Go. Thank you for viewing this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us. And be sure to check us out at BOR-Go.com.